Hey skincare lovers, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be telling you the simplest way to use your tretinoin cream if you want to achieve this kind of glow. If you're having acne, if you're having hyperpigmentation as well, just if you just want to rejuvenate your skin, I'm going to teach you how you're going to do it. Some people used to think that when they have so many products, when they apply so many products, that's when their skin is going to be looking the most flawless. That's totally lies. You can have other products, but you can, be changing. It's not like as if every day you're using like 13 products on your face at once. So, but this video, let me just tell you how to use your tretinoin. I have tretinoin here with me and a face cream. Personally, how I apply mine, how I tell my customers to also apply and they see results, make it really simple. Okay, when you're done showering, the next thing for you to do is to wear your face cream, any moisturizer of your choice. This is the one I have it for sale in case if you need it. You just apply generous amount, then you bring your tretinoin cream and apply a pea-sized amount, just a little size. Make sure that it's spread all over your face. Do you understand? Spread it all over your face and massage it very well. When you are done doing that, the next thing you have to do is to wear your face cream again, but this time around you're not going to rub it like this. I have already said this in my YouTube video one time. You don't have to rub it like how you rub cream, but this time you're going to put it inside your palm, your moisturizer, and pat it in. Use your other hand and pat it right in, like as if you're just press it in, just for you to use the face cream to cover the tretinoin. This is what you keep doing at least for a week before you start interchanging. You can use it every day and just keep it simple. It might cause irritation, it might purge your skin, it might dry out your skin, but this is the process. When you are done passing through all this process, it's going to peel out your old skin layer and bring out the new one. So that's when you have to, that's when you experience this glow, like your face is shine. You guys don't mind me, I apply oil, but that's how it's being used. Okay, so I said let me just come and tell you, just in case if you don't know how to apply your tretinoin. In case if you need any products, don't waste time to send us a message. We have all the products that you need. These ones are just a display. We have them in wholesale and in retail, and also for personal use. I will catch you in the next video. Bye. So if you're someone experiencing dark spots, like you have dark spots all over your face, look, I have already been there before. I'm going to be showing you products that you can use that will help eliminate that dark spot. Like, personally, I hate dark spot on the face, so I'm going to tell you the simplest way you can do it. Whether you're fair skin or you are dark, I'm going to tell you the easiest way for you to get rid of your dark spot. Okay, let's jump right into it. So the first thing is to use your vitamin C serum. Okay, vitamin C serum is going to help brighten your dark spots. You have to use it especially in the morning. Personally, I use my vitamin C serum both in the morning and at night. Do you understand? So maybe that's what helps get rid of my dark spots. I do have pimples sometimes, but when they are healed, you won't even notice not even one dark spot on my face. So it's very important you use your vitamin C serum. I have this one here. This one is also available for sale, and this one. Look, some people will come and tell you, oh, these ones are cheap, it's not going to do anything. See, use me as an example. I have used tones, especially this one. I have used a lot of Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum. Okay, I sell it too, so I use it a lot. I can say that this one have helped my skin brighten so well. So another thing you have to do is you have to get Codivite. Okay, this product contains a lot of brightening ingredients. You have to get it if you're someone who is really dark skin. The way I will advise you to use this product is you have to use it to spot treat. What do I mean? You have to, whenever you're done showering or maybe cleansing your face, you use, maybe bring out a little size amount and use your hand. Make sure your hands are clean. Then everywhere you think you have dark spot, you pat it in there, like you pat it in there, because this product have the ability to brighten, like lighten your skin. Okay, so but if you're a fair skin person, you can use it all over your face, but it's also advisable to spot treat. Do you understand? So when you're done spot treating, the places that you do not have dark spots, you can apply your moisturizer there. This is what you keep doing until you see the difference. Because if you do not spot treat, like I said before, these products have the ability to lighten your skin. So if you do not spot treat, the part of your face that is normal, it doesn't have any dark spot, it is tend to lighten up more than where there is dark spot. So you have to spot treat until you get the consistency, the color you're looking for. Do you understand? So I said, let me just come and tell you, just in case if you're struggling with dark spot and you do not know what to do, come and buy this one. We have them all available. Okay, I will catch you in my next video. Bye.